fellow makeup lovers, how are you guys doing today? I am so excited for this video because we're going to be doing a Beautylish Lucky Bag unboxing. I have the box right here. I got an extra large box and I'm just super excited about it. I did one of these a few years back. I really loved the box, and this year when I got the notification, it was just kind of spontaneous. I was like, what the heck, may as well do it, film a little unboxing for YouTube, and hopefully there are some good products in here. I have no idea yet. I have not looked. All I did was open the box for a thumbnail, but I'm super excited. So I believe that this is $150 and it has a retail value of like $350, something like that. Without any further ado, let's just go ahead and jump on in, see if it was worth it, see if I made a mistake. Of course, I mean, I just have to say the packaging, the presentation on the box is so cute. Okay. So I'm trying to like not sneak a peek at everything. I just want to like grab one thing at a time. There's some packaging here. Everything is kind of bundled together. So I'm like just using my hands to pull the bubble wrap apart and just grab one thing at a time just for the sake of it. Okay, so let's see. First we have from Good Molecules the Hyaluronic Acid Boosting Essence. So I've only tried a few things from Good Molecules, but I do like them as a brand, and I actually really love hyaluronic acid. I haven't used it in forever because I've been strictly using the Curology skincare for maybe like a year and a half now or something like that at this point. But I would definitely go ahead and add this into my skincare routine. I would have no issues with that. It also feels super heavy, so I'm just gonna like pull it out real quick and just creep. Oh yeah, I mean that looks nice. I'll definitely give that a shot, especially with winter. Okay, grabbing the next thing, we have from Hourglass. This is the Vanish Flash Highlighting Stick in the shade Rose Gold Flash. So I don't think I've ever tried any of these from Hourglass. I don't know that the shade is going to work for me. Let's just pull it out and see real quick. Y'all, the entire thing just fell out. Wow. So I was not originally planning on swatching that, but let me just see if I can get that back in. Okay, we're gonna do a swatch because I mean it's literally already fell out of the packaging. So there's what that one looks like. I mean, it's definitely true to the name. It's just like a rose gold highlight. Definitely not the perfect shade for my skin tone, but maybe I could use it as like a blush topper moment. I feel like it's giving me like a glowy blush vibe. Even though that packaging is terrible, you'd think for something so expensive. I'm sure that's probably like $30–40 or something like that. Highlighting stick is $46. I feel like that's ridiculous. So that was a little bit of a fail, but let's grab the next thing. Okay, this is from Hindash. It is the Hairline. I don't know what that is. I don't know what Hindash is either. I don't think I've ever heard of that brand before. It looks like a liner. It looks super nice. I normally go through a liner like this once every like 2 years, so this is actually perfect. I hate buying liners like this because I don't use them very often, but I will definitely get use out of that and try it out. We got a bigger box I'm pulling out now. This is from Tarte. This is the Pas de Deux Releve Lash Curler and Releve Mascara. I don't know anything about this, but it looks very fancy. I've never tried anything from Tarte before. Let's see. Oh, okay. So, I mean, there is a mascara. I never get mad about getting a mascara, especially in like a box like this, because I will always end up using it. And then there is a very fancy little lash curler. I mean, that feels really nice. I never curl my lashes, so maybe I should give this a shot. I feel like I've had like really inexpensive ones. Like maybe I have one that I bought for like $5 from Makeup Geek or something, and one that I got in a subscription box years ago. So I mean, I'll give it a shot. But that's nice too because it comes with a little extra piece. I guess if this one like wears down, there's another one. So I would say that one's not extremely exciting, but I can definitely get use out of it. Let me grab something else. Okay. Next we have from Holly Frog the Grand Amino Cushion Cream. So it says it's situational skincare, soothe and strengthen. Yeah, I don't really know anything about this brand at all. It says it's like a multivitamin for your face. Sounds a little gimmicky. I mean, packaging is cute. So there's what it looks like. I mean, I will give it a shot. It sounds very interesting. So grabbing in, I have a lipstick here from Wayne Goss. This is the shade Macadamia. I'm a little bit curious about this. It says it's a luxury cream lipstick. I have a few of his lipsticks and I don't love them because the shades that I had were like super light and they like separate on the lips. So I just want to creep on this real quick. Oh no, that's pretty light too. I don't know, should I give his lipstick another shot? See if like, I mean, it might be a little tiny bit darker than the shades that I have. I don't know. Okay, next we have a brush from Sonia G, which I'm pretty excited about because I feel like I've heard so many amazing things about the Sonia G brushes and I've never tried any. So this one just looks like a flat, like little packing brush. I mean, super, super soft. This is the Builder 3. Okay, I think I'm down to the last thing in the box. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Instant Eye Palette, Smoky Eyes Are Forever. I think that I may have liked this one. I'm hoping that I did. Let's see. I mean, packaging is, almost dropped it. Packaging is super, super pretty. Oh yeah, that one's actually really cute. I think I was low-key interested in it. So there's what that looks like. I mean, the mattes look really nice. The shimmers actually look super, super sparkly. I've never tried any eyeshadows from Charlotte Tilbury before. I feel like the little power eyes right here is calling to me. That's super pretty. Okay, so we also have a lip liner here. This is the Wayne Goss Essential Lip Pencil in the shade Vintage Pink, which I actually already own this one. I love this lip liner, so I will definitely pass that on. I think it's a really, really nice shade. So that was everything in the box. I mean, I feel like it was like a good box. Like everything seemed decent enough. There's nothing that I wouldn't use, but it was also like nothing super exciting. I did see some people getting the Natasha Denona Trio Chrome palette, which I was kind of hoping to get as well. But I mean, this palette does look pretty. I'm excited to try it out. So we got the palette, little mascara set, skincare, lip liner, lipstick, the highlighter, the eyeliner, and the brush, and then there was another thing of skincare. Like I said, I feel like nothing was super, super exciting, like not at all compared to the first extra large Lucky Bag that I did. But I think that maybe it's like one of those things where a lot of the products will have value over time between the mascara, the liner, the skincare. So we shall see. I hope you enjoyed. I'd love to know if you picked up a Lucky Bag, what you got, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.